473 Idaho Street in Sugar City. Nice little front entry area. Built-in coat closet. Beautiful stairway, big 5.0 window. Have a half bath here. Linen closet. Big formal dining area. Could be used as another family room, living room. Put your dining here. Built-in office space. Nice alder cabinets. Get out the backyard here. Lots of nice landscaping. Big pantry off the kitchen. And you have a little bench, coat closet, bedroom type room off the deck, the garage. They're using part of it for living space at the moment. And then you got your double car garage. Utility closet. We'll go upstairs. Built-in shelves, the hallway, bedroom 1, has a big walk-in closet, big laundry room, bedroom 2, really nice big bedroom as well, nice windows, walk-in closet, lots of clothes. You have a half bath. Bedroom 3. Walk-in closet as well. And bedroom 4, the master bedroom. Big walk-in closet, lots of storage. And you have double sinks, shower tub, and bathroom there, half bath, forward. Great home. Love to have you come look at this if you have time. You can contact Jeff or Ryan Lerwill at Countrywide Properties Group, Keller Williams, East Idaho Realty, 208-351-7300. Thanks for looking.